5 sites to learn stock trading free. Please like video and subscribe our channel, Earn Online with Robina, for more videos. 1. Investopedia offers a wide range of educational resources for stock traders, including articles, tutorials, and webinars. 2. The Balance provides an extensive collection of articles on stock trading, including beginners' guides and strategies for experienced traders. 3. Khan Academy offers free online courses on a variety of financial topics, including stock trading. 4. TradingView, a social network for traders and investors, offers free tutorials and webinars, as well as a community of traders to share knowledge and strategies. 5. StockTrader.com offers a wealth of resources for stock traders, including articles, tutorials, and reviews of trading platforms. Thanks for watching.